How are you? Mama, look at you. Look at You're welcome. Thank you. Mama, see you. You're not allowed. My dear. Hey, Mama, I can't believe you're back. Oh, this is so much. I thought I won't come back again. How is good? Fine. Let me give you just. Let me enter the house. No, thank you. Thank you. Just go inside now. I'm a young woman. I see you. You like it? Yes.
I never knew Sister Charity could be so nice, including her husband. I mean, they really surprised me.
Me too. I will really thank them for taking good care of you for me. May God will bless them. I trust my daughters. I know they can never overlook the welfare of their youngest sister.
Mama, you're saying as if I'm a kid. I'm still a little baby. I'm no longer a kid, Mama.
What are you? You are the baby of the house.
I'm a big girl, Mama.
I want to sleep.
I want to sleep too.
You want to sleep in my room? No, go to your room.
No, Mommy, I don't want to sleep there. I want to stay here.
Okay, no problem. Just go and make sure that all the doors are locked, huh?
Better. Let me just lock it and come and lie here.
Hey. How'd you go, sister? America is good though. I actually didn't want to come back to this village again. That country is sweet. Yeah. Thank you very much. You're welcome. My daughter didn't want me to come back now. But you know how these things are. I just decided to come back because of Calista.
Nah, you are really looking good. Honestly.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you. You guys here are not looking bad too.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry, I said guys. You know that's what we say over there. You now speak like them. Take, this is for you. Yeah. Thank you. I wasn't expecting anything now. Just let me come and greet you. Exactly. It's good you came. Hey, Thank you very much. Thank you, my dear. Hey, welcome. Okay, now one. Hey, one kind of us there. God bless you. Thank you. Thanks for coming. I hope everybody in the village is doing well. Yes, so thank God. Okay, now. Good night, bye. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. You're looking good.
Thank you, my sister. I'm looking good too. At least we should be happy. Even though we didn't go to America with Bridget, but at least she remembered to buy us something from America.
Bridget? Is she back?
You mean you're not aware that she's back? Her best friend? Yeah, well, she came back 2 days ago. In fact, I'm actually going to see the tailor to give her the clothes that Bridget bought for me for amendment. Bridget is back. Hey, she's back. Oh.
Okay, it's okay. I will check on her later. Eh?
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hey, how come she didn't tell her best friend that she's back? Oh.
Yeah, hold on. Hold on. Hey! See who's here? Nadi. Nadi's good. Welcome. I was meaning to come and see you. Yeah? But what?
How can my best friend come back from America after 1 year and not even ask if I was dead or alive?
Sounds unbelievable. It's not like that. You see, don't push me away now. I'm so sorry. You see, I'm still battling with everything around me, you know, still suffering from jet lag. You know, the weather there and ours are not the same. Like it is night here now, it is day there. And if it is day here, it will be night over there. So when you people are sleeping, I'm awake. And when you are awake, I'm sleeping. I'm still suffering it. All the same, if Mohammed did not go to mountain, why won't mountain go to Mohammed?
I'll go on.
You know what I mean?
I'll go on. So this is what America has turned friendship into.
No, we are still friends now. Nothing can stop us. You're still my best friend. Nothing can stop us.
Is this what you are saying? When nobody even told me you were back until a few hours back.
Hey. I'm so sorry. See, wait now, let me go get your present for you.
Madam America. Thank God you are safely back.
No? Ned, are you still angry with me? Nesco! Hey, why is she this angry now? They will never get to understand.
Sweeter than honey, my darling mama. Sweeter than honey, my darling mama. I love you, mama. I need you, mama. I love you, mama. I need you, mama. It's amazing, so blessing, so gracious, so good. She stand up and pray, she cry day and night. It's all for me, your love, mama. It's amazing, so blessing, so gracious, so good. She stand up and pray, she cry.
This is the minutes of the last meeting, so I'll read it to them now. Ndinne mama
Isokwa!
Ndinne mama
Isokwa!
According to our last meeting's minutes, we are supposed to visit one of our sisters that lost her husband with a sum of 200 naira each and a cup of garri and a cup of rice. But we've not done that yet. So I think we should bring our money now so that we can go and visit her.
Ndine mama.
Isokwa!
Ndine mama.
Isokwa!
Ndine mamas. Ndine mama. Ndine mama. Hi, Ndine mamas. Baby, how you doing?
Bridget, you are paying us 15 naira for coming late.
Yeah.
But I'm just a few minutes late. How can I pay 15 naira?
No.
You don't need to pay your money.
Pay your money. Wait, wait, Bridget. You are too full of yourself in this village. Look at the time. We've been here for some time before you just walked in anyhow. Drop your 15 naira because you're American. So drop your money. Why are you arguing? You have money now, if not you won't come late.
Or just you leave us.
Quietly drop your money or you leave us. You don't even look like one of us.
What's wrong with what I'm wearing? Okay.
Like
drop your 15 naira or you leave us.
I can't pay 15 naira for just a few minutes.
Then you leave.
Then leave. Go. Oh, you want me to go?
Yes.
No. Leave. No problem. Go. No problem. Then mama. Go. Then mama. Go. 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 Then mama. Isoba. Then mama. Isoba.
Well, the money is not much. I don't know why you don't want to pay.
It's all about money. They should have told me politely that they needed money, instead of taking advantage of my being away for 1 year.
I'm sure Ned is behind all this, because she's still angry with you.
I don't know. But if she is, that's her own business, not mine.
I have something on the fire. Let me go and check it. I'll see you next tomorrow.
Wait a minute. Bye-bye.
Charity. I was talking to her about Mama. It amazes me that Mama got into the country, and up till now she's not even cared to call or even visit.
I can't understand that, honey. I can't. Enugu here that used to be her home when things were okay.
Life. That's human beings for you. If you hadn't lost your job in the bank, this house, this very house, this would have been Mama's first port of call the moment she got into the country. Fine, it's okay, it's good. At least she's proven herself to be a fair weather mother. My younger sisters now are her best friends. It's okay. Sonia and Emma, we're old school. Fine.
And it's okay, right? It's okay. It's okay. We should still call Mama to know if she's okay.
We? Please count me out.
Baby, please, don't be angry. For my sake.
Count me out. Please. Seriously.
This one you are dressed like this. Are you not going to community manual labor?
I'm not going. I'm not well rested yet.
Oh, Yibo.
Let's go. We still have time to rest. Let's go. Let them see you.
No. I will go next time.
And you know the consequences.
Don't you? Or you want the community women to come here and do it their own way? Let them not try me.
Don't worry. I want to go and take my siesta. Americana. That's what we call it over there, yes. You know, my body has not acclimatized yet. I hear you. Okay, don't worry. Just let me know what to discuss at the meeting. Okay. We are going. Yes, ma'am. Really? Bridget, I'll soon join you before.
You went for the community labor?
No, my daughter, I couldn't go. I will join them in the next one.
Ah, Mama, this was exactly what you said the last time. I hope these women will not come here to make troubles.
Yeah. Go and prepare food for me. I'm tired and hungry. Go and prepare food as if you're not hungry. You're looking for my trouble. I told you. You see, have everything. Leave my things from you. What is the meaning of all this? I will tell you again. Leave my things from me. What is the meaning of all this? Eh? You're looking for my trouble. Why should I be? You. Let's go. Give me my. Give me my. Bring my things. Leave me alone.
You are not the first person to travel to overseas. If you want to remain in this village, then do as others are doing.
Yes. You should have told me you don't have pots. I don't have. Hungry people. I don't have. Jealousy, jealous. You people are just jealous because I went to America. It's not my fault now. Am I the one that sent myself to America? Okay. I will not come to beg you for those things.
Not true. Baby, you know me now. You know me more than this.
Oh, no, baby. But you promised.
But that won't be necessary.
Baby, bite on your way home.
Now, okay, I'll pick it up on my way for lunch.
Yeah, baby. I love you.
Okay then. Yep.
Pay them the finance, get your properties back. No, that will be over my dead body. That is the last thing I will ever do. Let them keep the property. I'll buy new ones, don't worry. I know who is doing all this. Ned, that woman is jealous of you. And she really wants to get back at you. You mean it? Yes, now. In that case, let them keep the property. I'll buy new ones. Yes. Let them keep waiting for me till Jesus comes. In fact, if not for the fact that I'll pay excess luggage, I would have bought new ones from abroad, from America. Don't worry. In fact, next time my son-in-law is sending a car, I will make them buy those things and put in their car for me in the ship and bring it. Don't worry. You know you're about the best friend I have in the village now since I came back. Don't worry yourself. Okay. This is no longer the Bridget you used to know. I have changed. And things have changed with me. It's not my fault now.
Yeah. I'll be going now.
It's okay, my dear. Oh, bye-bye. Don't worry, oh. Ned. She should have told me she wanted my pots. I'll give her the old ones and buy new ones. No problem. No problem.
Edochie. Onye. Yakwa boli ibu. Hey. So the tight dress is tied up so soon. Nedi. This is not all about Nedi and her game, so I had to go and pay and bring back your properties for you. Ojugo, but I told you not to bother yourself now. I was going to buy new sets. In fact, I was already getting ready for the market before you came. After all, what are friends for? So, how much did the tigress collect from you?
300 naira.
Just that? She should have told me she's hungry. Okay. Just a minute. Here. Thank you very much. I said the money is 300 naira and you're giving me dollars. I know. This is an equivalent of 3,000 naira. Hey! Hey! No, thank you. God bless you. Hey! I'm a cop. Hey! Hey! That's my typical thing. Change it, eh? Hey! No, I won't. Hey! Easy. Okay, thank you. Hey, Ada, how are you? Are you still around? She's still enjoying American things. Yeah, just I'm enjoying my own as well. Hey! Can you change? Don't let them cheat you. 3,000 naira. Bye. Oh, thank you. Those things are tired, eh? Just take them in. Look at this. Tell me, who amongst them will have an old pot as good as this? No. They are just jealous. This is heavy now. Take it in. I should have called you Apugo. Nedi. Jealousy, jeloma. Oh, pigo. Alanga so, piakwa.
Big sis, this is why you're laughing so much. What happened? You want us to come to your house? No, we can't come now. We're going for baby's shopping. Okay, later.
So was that Erica?
No, it's Charity. She's asking we should come visit. No, but that will be later after baby's shopping, I think.
Okay. I'm tired. Mind that your bag, don't you hit my baby.
No.
That's my model in there.
I called both of you to unburden my heart. both of you and your brother were very young when your father died. I single-handedly saw you through your primary and secondary schools. I want to ask both of you, when shall the laborer start getting her wages?
How do you mean by that, Mama? I don't understand.
When will you get start saying thank you for all I am doing?
Mama, we appreciate you very much.
That is not what I am saying. What I'm saying is that I want you people to stop thinking about going to the university and start thinking about settling down. Look at Bridget. She's the envy of all the women in this village because of her daughters. Eh? I'm not saying education is not good. Education is good, but it's better acquired in your husband's house. So I want both of you to start thinking about settling down. Start thinking about it. That's why I called you.
Mama, don't worry. Very soon we'll get married.
I want it soon.
Mama, I don't know how I'm going to start thinking about that.
You better start thinking.
I want to go to school.
Nketa, Nechi, start thinking. Can
we go now?
Nico,
I'm the latest car owner in town. No. Tell me you're joking. What joking? Oh, tell me you're joking. This car? Oh, my sister, I'm so happy for you.
Oh, I'm happy so much. Oh my God, let's check it out.
Oh, baby is such a darling.
Oh, he is.
So, what do you say to a glass of champagne?
Ned. Won't you ask me to sit down?
I can't remember inviting you over.
Hey. How long have you seen or heard from Bridget?
Unless you are sending me on an errand, I have nothing to see her for.
She's your friend now. Eh? But honestly, this overseer Mugu is beginning to get to her head. She's so proud of herself. Okay, hey.
Ojugo. Since you are now her spokesperson or the personal assistant, let me ask you, were you not the person that went to the community leader to buy her items? Were you not?
What would I have done? I don't want her to have trouble with the women.
Good Samaritan. You want to be more Catholic than the Pope. Leave me alone, no. Ojugo, leave me alone.
I can see that you're not in a very good mood today. Yeah. I'm leaving.
My dear, it's not like that. I said I was going to come and see all of you, one by one, very soon. Mama, you look so good. Thank you. Look at your hair. That is the type my daughter fits from you. You see? Mama, yours is even better than mine. Because my own is made in America.
Mama, look at you.
Maybe we should go for a holiday.
Yeah, you're right.
Travel. That is what my people used to do. Oh, look at what people are doing that. This is what people do. Every time you see them, that is. Let's go inside, because let's go inside.
It's amazing, it's so
okay. You see people are doing, You see how much people do their own. Hey!
Let me show you, Mama, let me show you.
People are like that. We were so disgusting. Eric, I'm a funny one. It's good to see you again.
You know the worst part. She doesn't want to involve herself in all these our village things anymore.
Tell me something. So we now have a Oyibo woman in our midst.
Don't have Onyocha in your midst.
Hey, but come to think of it though, what are they doing to cut down her size? I mean,
to bring her down to our village level. In Ajum. You are talking as if you don't know our women leaders anymore. They are trying to remind her that whether Americana or not, that is from here. And so shall it be till they do us part.
Hey, Nedi, I trust that woman. She is not afraid of anybody at all. For Bridget, she will almost beg for forgiveness by the time they are through with her.
Are you telling me?
Hey!
Let me tell you this.
Do
you know what? They said that now, if she wants to sleep, she will wear stocking on her teeth. As on your chankobuno, wear socks.
Oh, you go pepe to sleep.
And I'm
Biko, they go. We'll go see later for meeting, Make her they go.
They will not even
do wear stockings, why sleep? Bye. Hey!
Mama, thank you.
Mama, thank you.
Thank you, my dear. Hey, you're welcome.
Oh, Mama, you can't be serious. Joy that used to shiver with ordinary Amaka. Huh?
She even surprised me. Even when the one they call Smoke came. You won't even know. She didn't feel anything. Huh? What about the child? The baby's okay. That baby, he looks very much like Onochi.
Mama, you will not kill me. You will not kill me. Every newborn baby looks like me. Hey, Mama. Anyway, Mama. How have you been managing?
I'm okay, my son. Just what I've been thinking. When will I carry your own child?
Mama, you seem to forget that children are gifts from God, and they come when it pleases Him.
Okay, no problem. By God's grace, it will happen.
It will happen, Mama.
Yes.
Amen.
Amachi, you see this village? All my friends are now my enemies since I came back from America. See, black white.
Huh?
Look at this one. Do you think this thing is normal?
Let me see.
See.
Sorry.
Rat bite. Is it normal?
No, Mama, I don't think anybody is after you. Mama, nobody is after you. Nobody is after you. Just allow Kalista to clean up the whole place and apply rat poison.
If you say so, it's okay. But I know they are jealous of my children and I. How about Charity? Mary and their family?
Mama, everybody is fine. They are all fine, Mama. And Mama, you know what? Start getting ready for another Omogo.
Really?
Yes. Because Mary, she's like she's soon put to bed. And Charity's husband just bought her a brand new Jeep.
Hey! That's fun. I can't believe it. You see? What else can a mother wish? My enemies will have more reasons to be jealous. That is not my business. Anyway, all of them, God will displace them. Mama, I wonder who your enemies are. All these women in this village, they have suddenly become my enemies since I came back from America.
Okay, so Mama, after we've rested, we'll go and see Uncle.
It's okay. It's okay.
Akpoba kinkim ndiro ma akpoba kinkim. Ha akpoba kinkim ndiro ma akpoba kinkim. Kemgbe nnata fufu azụ n'nwa onye kpọrọ kinkim. Uru dị na nwa abịago ndiro ma akpoba kinkim. Ha akpoba kinkim ndiro ma akpoba kinkim. Ha akpoba kinkim ndiro ma akpoba kinkim. Kemgbe nnata fufu azụ n'nwa onye kpọrọ kinkim. Uru dị na nwa abịago ndiro ma akpoba kinkim.
Do you think this is an ordinary bite? Huh? How do you go why? They are angry with me because I traveled to America. For Omaka.
This thing is not just rat bite. I am sure the person that is not happy that you traveled and returned safely is responsible for this. Who could that be? Are you blind? Can't you see? Equally see. Ned is not happy with you. And maybe some other women that are not happy that you're back. Just look at, how can you call this ordinary rat bite? No, equally see.
But Ned has been my best friend.
No, because Ned.
The Ned I used to know cannot do a thing like
Please! Okay, you think this is just ordinary rat bite?
Oh. So Ned could be so wicked. What do you suggest I should do, Ojugo?
Leave that to me. I'll come up with something.
I can't even remember what to do.
Mekenanya. Hey! Efe Hanayas.
Who parked this car? Who parked this car here?
Madam, sorry, the owner of the car is in our shop.
I'll tell him to come and remove this thing from here right now.
Oh, madam, I am so sorry. I'm really very sorry. We didn't mean to stay long.
Sorry for yourself. Stupid and senseless human. Common sense did not tell you that you blocked my car.
Madam, I just told you. I am sorry.
Please stop telling me that. How can an adult like you know what is right and do it? You're such a despicable fool. That is what you are. What?
If that is how you speak to your husband at home, don't speak to my own like that. Are you hearing me? Despicable fool.
It's okay. No. It's alright.
Despicable fool.
Just leave that.
We'll try it again.
Why are you always angry whenever you see me? Am I irritating you? Why don't you allow me in first and we'll talk it over?
Maybe you didn't hear me well on the phone. I'll repeat myself. I do not want you anymore. I am tired of this relationship. Okay? Leave me alone. You are born again Christian, I am not. Obviously we have nothing in common. Okay? So please, stay away from me. Okay?
Carmen, you know it's not a crime to call you. Why make me feel like I made a very wrong decision? Listen to me. Just listen to me. Besides, have you ever wondered why I gave up my money and pleasure to serve God? Please. Please, just give me the chance to explain this to you and how kind God has been to me since I changed my ways. Kelly, please. I beg.
Mr. Born Again Christian, search for a congregation and bore them with your preaching. I am not interested. Ringing. Why are you not picking up your phone?
Because it's David.
He's not your boyfriend. Pick up your phone.
He used to be, but he's no more.
I mean, David is no longer the flexing guy I used to know. He's no longer the flexing guy I dated back then. He's so changed of a person I don't understand. Okay, I mean, you should remember he was the one who taught me life. He exposed me to all this. He taught me so many things. I don't understand what's happening to him now. Okay, come on, take a look at the way he dresses. So shabbily, you know, no cars, no money, no good clothes on him anymore. Just because of his Christian, born again life, I don't understand. Please, I can't cope up with that life. I can't cope up with it. Please.
So the problem that now that David is born again. Eh? So to be happy that at least you are sure of his faithfulness to you.
Okay, I get it. I get everything. You're happy with him, right? And you're okay that he's a born again and all that. Then why don't you go ahead and date him? He is there for you. He is very much available for you. Go ahead and date him and stop bugging me with David issues. Please, Ifnaya. Please and please and please again. Drop the topic, okay? Stop bothering me with David's issue. Drop it.
Seriously? Go and follow your boyfriend.
Every time you poke nose into people's businesses, why don't you face yours? No, sir. Imagine.
So it's not a crime that David is born
Go
again.
ahead and date him.
You're painting your nails.
Mama, I woke up.
Let me sit down with you. Oh, yeah, but why? Let me see. It's nice.
It's fine.
Do you know that my friend Gladys, the one we attend village meetings together?
Okay.
Her daughter is doing her traditional marriage in the next 2 weeks.
Wow, that's good news. I'm so happy for her.
I'm happy for her too. Guess what? Her husband is based in London. a whole lot of men that will be coming for the wedding, they are all coming from London.
Wow, that's nice.
I have discussed with her mother. You're going to be one of her shebis.
Mama, that girl is not my friend.
But her mother is my friend. Don't you know, being one of her shebis will give you the opportunity to meet all the rich men that will be coming from London? Or you don't want me to go to Omugo in London? Eh?
Mama, so going for Omugo in overseas is not the order of the day.
Yeah.
Mothers in this village. Sorry to disappoint you, I'm not interested, Mama.
Yes, sir. Nina. She's as stubborn as her father.
I can't wait to have this baby. I'm still like fast forwarding time.
I know how you feel. See, soon I'm going to be the latest dad in town, with the two most beautiful women in the whole world.
Honey, remember to call Mama. She should start getting ready for the move.
Of course I'm going to call Mama. See, I even want her to be here before you put to bed. Okay?
He's kicking me.
He? No, not he. No, she. See. You know how when I met you, you like putting on the short skirts and bomb shorts? That's what I want her to be putting on. That's it. She. I'm sure.
Ify, I called you here to say a few things about my present status. I mean my new life in Christ. As you are aware, I was a guy about town with a lot of money to throw around. To say the fact, I was a fraudster, a 419. But my encounter with Christ made me understand that one cannot make heaven without restitution. I had to do away with all the ill-gotten wealth.
Really? This is strange. I didn't know about all this.
If heaven is so important to me now, and I also want Kali to make heaven, I even intend getting married to her. I disvirgined her, you remember? So please help me talk to her, please.
I'm really sorry about all this. I didn't know. But don't worry. I'll talk to her, okay? Just trust me. I will. And I'm sure she will listen.
Can I count on you?
Of course you can. Trust me. I'll explain everything to her. Just give me something.
Mary, this is not telling you the truth though. You're not listening to me. It's alright. Like how? What, ma'am? Pregnancy is not an excuse why you should wrap your whole body. You're so funny. How else do you want me to be dressing? You have to look sexy for your husband.
But you can see I'm so heavy. All those my old fine clothes, they are now tight on me.
The fact that you're pregnant does not mean you now wear long socks and cover your body with sweater. He'll go outside. I'm telling you, he will go outside. How old are you? Can't you see your brother and I? No kids, but still so much in love. When you're home, refuel your cleavage. Play love all the time. Your mother always complains that we love too much, but that's what keeps my marriage intact.
My brother is a very nice person. He's really taking good care of me.
Sure he is. But seriously, you need to do something about your dress.
That means I need new clothes.
You have to, sister-in-law. You really have to.
But my husband is always in the mood of traveling every time.
He travels because he's scared of coming home to one wrapped up pregnant wife wearing a cardigan and a long leggings.
I think I need to go shopping. I need new clothes.
I mean, the sexier you look, the faster he runs home. Trust me.
I will.
I'm an expert, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
How many times do I have to repeat myself? That land is not for sale. How?
I'm sorry, Bridget.
For that reason, let me add money to the initial price. My son really needs that land, as it is a good site for a filling station.
Please, just leave my house now. Eh? Don't get me more angry. Leave my house before they say I have insulted an elder. Leave my house now.
It has not come to that, Bridget. Did I say you should give me the land free of charge?
The thunder fire, you and that your ritualist son. Leave my house now before I get angry with you. Leave my house.
If you say I should leave...
We go to Sebapwa. Move, go. Before they say I have insulted an elder now. If they ask the elders to come out, you two will come out. Think I'm a poor woman. After now, I deal with dollars. Raw dollar. Hungry people. Selling land. Must I sell land to eat?
Serious. My mom, I don't know, she's just bugging herself. Says that a Falcons here, our Kingsman wants her to sell one of her parcels of land to him, and she refused. Yeah, saying that the man is trying to oppress her because of his son's wealth.
Mama has to calm down. Let's people begin to misconstrue her actions. Of course. She has changed since she came back from the US. She has to calm down. Lest people begin to misunderstand her.
Exactly what I've been telling her, but she wouldn't listen to me. I don't know. Anyway, I'll take care of it.
You take care of my American mother-in-law?
What do you want me to say?
Say, I love my wife.
I love my wife.
Crush her. Crazy. Get away. I love you.
I love you, Mom. I love you.
The price you paid is over. You have had all my body. I mean, the price is finished.
I don't mind. I can still pay more.
Get in.
Okay. All right, so you take care of
I
my
promise.
sexy wife for me.
Get in.
All right. You know, why don't I just...
Get in there, my... Masquerade, pursuing me. Hey, this is bad omen. My God. Hey. This dream has convinced me that my enemies are at work.
Bridget, they are jealous of you and your children. They are jealous of you.
So what do I do now? I don't want anything to happen to my children or myself.
Seek protection.
From the church? Eh? Listen that some of these pastors are doing. looking for money everywhere. Eh? You don't even know how to detect the one that is a good pastor or the one that is not. I can't go to them.
Who is talking about?
And this one, if they hear that I just came back from America, they will think I brought the whole of America home.
Who is talking about church?
Are you suggesting we should go to a native doctor? Those ones are a bundle of liars. I've never seen liars like them.
They are even not reliable. They are not reliable. They are the worst.
I know.
I am talking about an oracle.
Hey, Fuemo, where'd you go? You don't have fear. How can we go to an oracle? Me? No. If you hear about oracles, some of them are so deadly that when you ask them to go and do something for you, they will go, do it and come back and knock on your door and tell you that they have gone. They show you sign by breaking your hand, leg, or giving you one blind eye.
No, it's not this one. It's not this one at all. This particular one I hear, they call this one Igbo. Ejetogu, last bus stop. Whatever you ask this one to do, final, he will do it. And I hear is that in Umudin.
Hey, Umudin is so far away.
You're talking about distance.
No problem, as long as transport can get there. But what does this one, this Shrine at Umudim require?
I don't really know. They call it Igbo. But I'll find out and I'll get back to you.
Okay.
I don't really know much about it.
I need urgent reply before they begin to kill us one by one. Look at me. Am I the only one that has gone to America? Why is my own ringing bell?
Anyofo. Anyofo.
And I don't like it one bit. You've lived with a woman for 5 years and she has not taken you for once. And you stand here to tell me that nothing is wrong with her.
Mama, I have said it before and I'm still saying it again. Nothing is wrong with my wife. Alright? She will conceive at the appropriate time. God's own time.
When will that be? When I am dead and buried? Onochi, I need grandchildren. They must not come from America. Yes. Do something before it's too late.
Mama, no time is too late. And honestly, I don't like the way you're putting this. What do you mean I should look elsewhere? Look, Mama, I am still saying this. There is nothing wrong with my wife. She will give me children. Let us just be patient.
But you need to do something before it's too late. Please, my son. All my mates already have grandchildren. Haven't I had patience enough? 5 years. I have waited for 5 years. Please, Onoche, you are my only son. Please.
Okay, alright. Fine. Mama, you have made your point. But I am still saying this. I love my wife.
I know.
And that is final.
There's no doubt about
and
that.
I will wait.
There's no doubt.
My wife is waiting for me.
Ayakusigo. Just like that. Okay.
Apana bumparo na benda mumala wipuna mana batango Bala kange buhari baya mantri mebika kandenyo Kudala karaka kwayana mapoza fama kange mikano Baya sabri abri kemalen Hazu kange jen Hiru kange alata Mrene Apana na buntu kena dika Kwa mama hiya Rakusisana mre Makishala niya na Hey Iba mama biakwa mu mam jamagi am na membrugu Iba za kwa mo anu madika jama wa yoru kwa manje bwisinu Eja kwa mu ba ma wara ma ya mami ka ma praro na benda mali kunna mala batama Krikri keke jeri ojanan IREOBU ne gbagba ma gwa nwetara mmadụ ọtọ weta gbuon si ya were setakwa ya were ike gbanye ojo data ahụ mana n'ụjọ na-eri m nwa bịa m ite ka ndozie Okirikiri keke ji egbu ihe ọ ga-eri Mama kpụtara m ego ma m ji egbu isi Eje m mba m hụrụ nwanyị omeme ike ma dịka jebere nwe anya Okirikiri ka na-agba okwu ọsọ dị ghara iheru maka mgbe ihe dịka ji emewe nwa mmadụ Abukana ya saburu ya mama ya pe mu maka ka nse mara we mi fe Bukuje Mbaka jiriji wakari na ngakuka Haba ya sabri abri ya kemale Segwe mujele Udelele Bukuje Ilani jane Ubateke maseke yake trami ya mama kama kanje mike Mbata for masipa for leta menya Ibo enya ngebo bibi Sigidozio Woman About all this Judea Woman, Igbo is a dangerous deity. Say after me. Anybody that thinks evil against me and my family shall die. Igbo will visit them.
Hey,
bunkae, Ibo bunkae, mewere bikene, Oranu mange meni de na mwan. Yeah. Kirikiri kana bukwa sade ari erumbeke jiriba wo kirikiri ko jebu yan deri. Woman, remember this. Igbo is a dangerous deity. Every Tuesday of every week, you must sacrifice a white cock to Igbo. Ometere jisi aburu maka manje gwago ku onye jisi kote bu baba kasi ari ba de kwa chache na ba nwa mo bekere kai labanu.
This is it. Did he say white cock? White cock. Every Tuesday. Anyway, that's not a problem. As long as your enemies will go far away from you. My enemies will run away this time. They will never come again. This is serious. What is it? Don't you have respect? Please. We are not on the same level. America is not the same thing as Onitsha. So mind your business. Mind your level. You have no respect. I have come to fulfill my sacrifice. Available. This is the white cock. Hello, Richard. How are you? Eh? Mary has given birth. A baby boy. Hey! Ekele dirigio imela. Uzuna bungwa ibela. Ekele dirigio imela. My in-law, I'm sorry. I was just carried away. Okay. Oh my God. Ha. My things are already packed. I'll start coming right away. Okay. Greet them for me. Greet my grandson for me. Bye. Hey. Ojugo. I will go and see Ojugo. Right away. You know now. Don't worry. At least I have your key. I will do my best. At least to perform the rituals until you come back. Okay. Thank you very much. Please. Add this 10,000 naira to make it 50,000. Just in case I overstay. Yeah, I will do it for you. After all, what are friends for? My dear. So you're leaving tomorrow? Yes. Yeah, I'm going to miss you. You are missing me. I need to. Just take good care of yourself, eh? Yeah. And please don't forget. I will. Read them for me, eh? Thank you. Bye-bye.
Don't worry, I'm going to get them myself. Have you arranged Mama's room?
Yes, it's done.
Okay, let me get it done.
Okay. Mama, America is good though. See how fine you're looking, Mama. Hey, America is good though. Thank you, my dear. What do you want me to do? My in-law and my wonderful daughter, they shopped for me. Hey. And you know it is said that when you go to school, you pass through school and school will pass through you. Likewise, when you go to America, you go to America now, America will go to you. Hey, first behaving like Americanas, eh? No. Everybody goes in Coco. Some of this. Sorry for them. Am I in? Yeah. How is my grandson? Oh, Mama, I just fed him. He's sleeping. Okay. Let me take you to your room, eh?
Iko! On behalf of Bridget, my friend, I have brought this to you so that you will fulfill all that you have promised her.
Please go and bed for the baby.
I should come and bed the baby. Yes, Mama. Go and bed your baby now. What is there? You have to use sponge, soap and water. Just be careful because the baby is going to take like that.
What? How can you say you're here for more? Since you came, you've not done any single thing to help me out, Mama.
Okay, I should become your house help before you realize that I have come from Mungo.
No, Mama.
So you go.
That's not what I'm saying, Mama. At least help me out with the little things you can do for me, Mama, to help me out. Mama, you are here for Mungo. For Christ's sake, Mama. You came from Mungo, not to watch TV and make phone calls.
Now you have made your point. Is that what is blowing you up? I should stop making calls and watching TV. Madam Police, Inspector General of Police. Leave me alone.
This is my first job, Mama. I don't know what to do, what not to do. Come on, help me now.
Whatever you can, do it for yourself. I told you your husband's house. It is good for you and your husband.
You said you came from Mungo, Mama.
Hey!
I really don't know what to do, Sister Charity. She has refused to help me with housework. Just watching TV and making calls all day long. No, she's not sick. She's here with me. I've heard. I'll do my best. Alright. Greet your family. Richard, you travel tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye. Was I
Tata, and smile for me now. It's okay. Tomorrow you go and see them now.
How can Mama be so mean? Going to her own daughter's house, not even trying to help.
See them tomorrow and know what the problem is like.
Alright. I'll go as soon as possible. Alright.
Oh, yeah, smile for me now. Smile for me now.
No, I'm just very upset. I mean, how can she go to somebody's house? Her own daughter that just delivered without even trying to help. Drink your water. I'll do that as soon as possible.
Solution to his problem.
I don't know. I'm even confused. I'm tired. I don't even know what to do anymore. All the places I have taken him to, they can't find out what is wrong with him. I'm just confused.
You don't need to be.
I don't want to lose my only son. My only son.
You must not say that again. You will not lose him. They must surely find the solution to his problem. But if you ask me, I will say prayer is the best solution. No? It's only prayer that can do it.
I'm just confused. I don't know what to do.
Calm down.
Okay. Take care of yourself, baby. Thank you.
Don't think it much.
Thank you.
Oh, be good.
Okay. Well, bye-bye. What is all this? Hey! What exactly is going on with my family? Is it because I have not been offering the chicken for some time now? No. The ritual is not for me now. It's for Bridget. But how do I explain this recent happening? How do I explain it? Well, since tomorrow is Tuesday, I'll go for another sacrifice. I'll go to Bridget's house. I'll do what I promised I will do. they wreck you. I dropped it somewhere, but I just can't remember where I kept it. Hey, check, help me find. Help me find. I dropped it somewhere, but I just can't remember where I kept that.
Someone broke my expensive wristwatch and you're telling me to stop shouting. You saved me this thing.
What exactly do you want me to do? I should break my head or something?
I think that's a better idea. Considering the evil that you and your mother are doing in this house.
Don't dare call my name there. Your watch is even better than my own. Look at my watch. American watch. Machine.
Mama, I know your watch is better than mine. I know your watch is a machine. And I want you to leave my house as soon as day breaks. Pa! Tell your mother to leave the house. Tell her to leave my house.
Exactly, Mama. Please, I think you should go. Omogo is finished. Go, Mama.
Pa! She forever. Which Omogo is ended? I'm not leaving. The Omogo has not ended. You people have not even bought anything for me. Eh? I'm not going. At least not now.
Yes. Things are getting better between us. Please, why not join us tomorrow? At the eatery along with food. I'm taking Mama out. You know, very soon the Omogo will be over. So I want her to have a good time. Let's say 1 p.m. tomorrow. Okay? Alright. See ya. Bye.
I'm used to being like this since I came back from America.
Mama, my mother Americana.
So you're not competing with me in dressing? My dear, what will I do? Life begins at 70. They taught us to always put our belts on.
Hey, let's go. Let's go and have a good time.
Kali! Before you're ringing,
sorry, you have the text. Take you have the text. Who is that? Why are you squeezing that face?
Is it not David? Can you imagine David asking me not to go out this morning just because of one stupid dream he had?
Yeah, David, I'm tired though. Are you supposed to send me this morning?
Definitely. I will now.
Anyway, I just think you still believe the edge. Listen to yourself first,
And carry the cross over me. You don't have to worry about David. I know why he's doing all this. Just to get my attention. But I promise him I will disappoint him. I will surely disappoint him. Annoying me this morning that I'm preparing for school, JJ. I don't want it. Maybe you should just mind his business. I don't want it. David, babe. I don't like this.
You know I love you so much. And I'm happy that you didn't go for that traditional marriage.
I don't want to go.
Because of me, right? That's my girl.
Nede, in my house. What's the meaning of this? I say, what is the meaning of this? Welcome. Welcome, where did you send me to? Who are you? Onyekebo? Where are you from?
I'm from this village.
Will you shut up? Now get inside. Ocha! I say enter inside. Come on, you're standing. Eh? Come on, enter inside. Idiot. And you, stay there. Is this your bed?
I'm from this village, ma.
What do you do?
I sell electronics and electrical.
Electronics
and electrical at Onitsha.
At Onitsha? Onitsha Banwa. Here, when your mates are overseas, you are here corrupting my daughter for me. Are you the brother or the husband? Eh? Before I open my eyes, before I open my heart, no true, easy. Mama, are you cooking?
Yeah, everything's okay. I'm fine.
Well,
you can see I have learned how to.
That's I am surprised. We are all good. We are all good. How is your husband?
Okay.
Mama, the mama. You like good like mama.
Big sis, I brought that blender you've been asking for.
Good.
Yeah. And I want to get my phone from the car. I forgot it, so let me transfer it to your car so I won't forget.
Okay, thank you so much.
Take it easy. Mama, I hope you're enjoying the food.
Very well.
You want? Okay. Should I help you cut the meat?
I know how to do it now.
Sis, your khaki.
Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was just like this.
Chacha. Rich just called me now. I should help him get a parcel at the next street. Please let me rush down. Mama, I'll be back for you, eh?
I'm enjoying myself.
Enjoy, Mama. I'll be back. Okay. Let me go. Okay?
Leave this food and go.
I'll be back.
I want to know.
Okay, Mama. Hello? Sister Charity? Please, I'm sorry. I think you seem to like Mama more better than I do at this moment. Let her stay with you. She's our mother. Take care of her. Bye-bye. God, thank you.
Oh, my sister! My only son! I understand. He's my only son! It is Nifa. Your mother is calling you!
For the sake of your children, okay?
My only son.
I know.
Dikeh is Nifa, no? Because no matter how much you call UCHENA, it's not going to come out. UCHENA is gone. My only son. I know UCHENA is gone. My only son. UCHENA is gone. Hey. Oh. Look at my hand. Sticky, look at my hand. And to think that David want me. No, it's just a coincidence.
I don't think so, Kali. Huh? This guy is a real Christian. Hmm? He's a real Christian.
Peggy, I want.
These things have happened to me before. I don't take them for granted at all.
No.
Just listen to me. Sorry.
Who is that?
It's David.
Oh, David is here. Tell him I'm sleeping. I don't want to see him. I don't want to see him, please. Easy now. Sorry.
coming.
Hello.
Hi,
How are you doing?
I'm good.
And how's Kali?
As you can see, she's doing well. She's okay.
Really? Well, I'm just coming from the house fellowship, so I decided to come over here. When she wakes up, just tell her I called, okay?
Thank you.
Please do not forget. I'll come some other time.
Listen to me, Charity. I'm not against you bringing Mama into the house. But at least you have informed me.
What was I supposed to do? And I have told you over 1,000,000 times before. Mary dumped Mama on me. What was I supposed to do? Leave her at the eatery? This is my mother we're talking about.
Nobody's contesting that. You are serious with me. I am the man of the house.
Oh, really? So if it were to be your mother, you'll be talking this rubbish?
I talk rubbish. I tried to end this matter now. Leave my side. I said, please leave my side.
What do you mean by that? Don't dismiss me like that. I'm not a dog. And Mama is laying in this house whether you like it or not.
Hey, how'd you go? How'd you go? Man, see what happens. Hey, look at your sister. Why have you done this? Look at your children.
Yeah. No, I traveled. I just came back 2 days ago. Yeah. Alright, fine. Let's stay in my house then. Yeah, we'll take care of it. Okay. Alright, bye-bye. Yeah, Charity. Yeah, that's exactly why I called. I know, listen, you have to take it easy with Mama. Of course not. I can't go talking to her, not after what she did to Mama. Alright, I understand. Listen. I'll come to your house later so I can talk to Mama. Alright? Don't worry. I'll take care of it. Everything will be fine. Alright. Okay. Alright, bye-bye.
Sister, how's America? Okay, how's your hubby and baby? Okay. He's fine. Emma is fine. He's fine. No, seriously, he's fine. Who? Mama. I've not seen Mama since she returned from your house. But I understand she's in Abuja for Mary's Mugo. She has been causing serious problem everywhere. Serious problem. You don't know the latest one that happened though. Hey. Hello? Hello, sister? Let's walk. Oh God. Hello? Oh God. Let's walk. Just when she comes back again.
So that you continue with your gossip, right? I pity you. That's all you do these days. I pity you, Tonya.
What did I do again? What have I done?
Oh, you don't know. You don't know what he did? I should tell you. I don't have your time. Nonsense. Idiot.
Your food is ready. Benson, I said your food is ready.
Hey. Oh, just spare me the trouble. I'm already late for work.
Who is going to eat the food?
Benson!
I'm looking for the money I put in my bag.
Who are you directing that question to, Mama?
To all of us now. Are we not together in this house?
So it has now come to becoming a thief in my own house. Charity, this is it. Just take Mama out from this house before I come back from work.
And where do you want me to take her to?
No. To hell. To the express, to the booth, just anywhere. So long as it's not in this house. Because if I return and meet her here, believe me, I'll commit more than suicide at the same time.
Well, you meet her here because I don't know where to take her to.
Mama, what did we ever do to you? What did we do to you? Why are you doing this?
What am I doing? Don't I look for my money again?
Give me my money complete.
Mama, go in there and pack your things. I am dropping you
right now back to the village.
Ah! I'm not leaving this place until my whole money is complete. You must give me my money.
Let's go back because I'm taking you right now.
I'm not going anywhere. You must give me my money complete.
Ah!
All right. Look, I'm tired of hearing the same stories over and over again. Right, fine, I'll take care of it. Look, the point remains that she is our mother. My mother, and we just can't throw her out just like that.
See, Mama was not like this before now. I just don't know what came over her. I don't understand. I don't.
I don't even care anymore. All I know is that I want Mama out of my house.
Look, I just told you, I will take care of it, alright? I'll come pick her up on Sunday.
Okay. Anyway, I have to leave. I need to get one or two things from the supermarket.
I was also on my way out.
Oh, okay.
Just take care of yourself, okay?
Okay, I'll see you on Sunday.
You told me you were traveling, or are you not traveling anymore?
Oh, I don't know. Look, she is my mother. I just can't leave her like that. I know what I'm going to do. I'll bring her to the house, then I'll beg my wife to take good care of her so I can travel. And when I get back, I'll take her to the village myself.
Good for you then. So, are you coming to the club later this evening?
No, I have a lot on my mind right now.
Guy, you just have to take it easy. You can't be thinking like this. Oh, I'll see you soon.
Alright, cool.
You said one.
Okay, you too.
Sweeter than honey, my darling mama.
Babe, that party I went for yesterday, man.
Always partying.
So one fat man that came to toast me with his long stomach.
As tiny as you are.
Guy, I don't suffer. Oh!
This is your tiny body.
Can you imagine?
Who's that?
It's Auntie Joy, you. It's a private number.
Okay.
Auntie. Hello. Hey, Wala. Who was that? What is it now?
Do you know that messenger of doom called David?
Hey.
I wonder which dreams he has come up with this time around. Anyway, I won't pick his call.
Is David you're treating like this? It's not fair. But I guess it's your life.
Hey. You, hold your own. I'll say it again. It's your life. Don't say I did not tell you. I told you. It's not fair.
Madam, hold your peace, please.
Sexy. She can't stay here when you're not around. There's no way I can stay in this house alone with Mama.
Oh, Sugar, my mom won't bother you, okay? Alright, fine. This is what we're gonna do. I will cut short my journey to come back and be with you. You will be fine.
Mama, it's difficult and you know it. She can't stay here. She can't.
Sugar,
I'm just going to run crazy. She will not cease to use every opportunity to remind me that she wants grandchildren. You know how that makes me feel.
Sugar, we've been through this a couple of times, alright? We've been through this before. It's my decision, alright? My mom. I want her here. She's my mom.
It's gotten to that. Now she's your mom, as if she isn't mine. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm trying to avoid. Mama is going to frustrate me with talks about children. Grandchildren.
Okay, fine. Just ignore her. That's all. That's it. Ignore her. Right? Just ignore her. In a few days, I will be back and I'll rescue you from all that and we'll be fine.
You can't. No, after days? 24 hours? That's a lot. That's a lot. Leaving me alone with Mama 24 hours? Mama could talk the whole 24 hours.
Sweetie, just ignore her. Right? Look, okay, this is my decision. This is what I want. Let's just do it this way for now.
Fine.
Fine.
Sweeter than honey, my darling mama. Sweeter than honey, my darling mama. I love you, mama. I need you, mama. I love you, mama. I need you, mama. It's amazing, so blessing, so gracious, so good. She stand up and pray. She cry day and night. It's all for me, your love, mama. It's amazing, so blessing, so gracious, so good. She stand up and pray. She cry day and night. It's all for me, yeah, yeah.